Today we will start a new chapter for class 7th. The name of chapter is Acid, Base and Salt. As you all know, students, that in our food diet we used to eat different kinds of things. Some have sweet taste, salty taste, sour taste, bitter taste. Why they have different kind of taste? Because in them they different kind of chemical is used to be. Now we will discuss in this video about an acid. As we all know that if we eat lemon, orange juice, that have sour taste. What does sour means? Sour का मतलब होता है खट्टा. They having sour taste. Because of sour taste, why they have sour taste? Because there is a chemical which name is acid found inside it. As we all know that from where that acid word comes. That acid word come from a Latin word. Latin words acida. And what does it means? इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? It means sour. इसका मतलब होता है खट्टा. We will surprise that in our stomach an acid that is hydrochloric acid is found inside our stomach. हमारे पेट में भी एक एसिड होता है और जिसका नाम क्या है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है. How that acid and what is the use of that acid inside our stomach? हमारे पेट के अंदर उस एसिड का क्या यूज है? As we eat the food, जैसे हम लोग भोजन करते हैं, that food get inside our stomach. With that food there are some bacteria, some germs. To kill that bacteria only, that hydrochloric acid produced in our stomach and kill that bacteria and help in digestion of food. Okay, as we eat, suppose we are eating a green mango. What is green mango? If the apple, green apple, it having also sour taste. Why they have sour taste? Because they have an acid, that name acid is malic acid. It found inside it. In our industries, factories, many kinds of acid has been formed. As we all know that in our stomach, hydrochloric acid is formed. Vinegar, that is sira, which used in a pickles, अचार में होता है. What are the use of that? It used to protect that pickles from bacteria, germs to get damaged. We use citric acid in baking soda. We use lactic acid. Lactic acid found inside our curd. They have also some benefit to us. There are some acid which is found inside fruits, vegetables, which is very beneficial for our diet or for our human body. But there are some acid which are prepared in laboratory that have very corrosive nature. उसका नेचर काफी खतरनाक होता है. It can even burn our skin. वो हमारे स्किन तक को जला सकता है. As we all know and also heard about an acid rain, हम लोग acid rain के बारे में भी सुना होंगे. What is acid rain and what are the damage done by acid rain? Let us see. As we all know, हम सभी जानते हैं that the purest form of water is rain water. सबसे प्योर वाटर जो होता है वो रेन वाटर होता है. Then how that water become acid? As we know that in our road there are different kind of vehicles, automobiles, factories, industries, and from that sulfur dye, this is suppose rainwater coming from the clouds, or from in our vehicles, that automobiles, from industries. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, this kind of gas used to be evolved out. Whenever that rain used to be fall on the ground, that water dissolved these gases and form acid rain. And this acid rain used to destroy crops, fertility of the soil, statue, monuments, etc. That is very harmful for our skin also. There are some acid which is very beneficial for us, and there are some acid which is very harmful for us. We will discuss or something about some of the acid. We mostly used to deal with three kind of acid. Three acid, that is HNO3. That name is nitric acid. Sorry. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid. This acid is found inside our stomach. This acid is also called king of chemicals. King of chemicals. That is some acid used in a battery also. So we can say that there are some acid which are very beneficial for human lives, and there are some acid which are very dangerous for us. Some even can burn our skin. That if you see these three acid, इन तीन एसिडों को आप देखेंगे, we found one thing common. एक चीज कॉमन निकल के आ रहा है. That is H hydrogen which is just formed before and non-metal. Non-metal के पहले आया है. And whenever they get ionized, इसको तोड़ा जाएगा, then always it form H plus ion, and whenever from any compound H plus ion liberate, अगर H plus ion निकल करके आता है, that chemical is an acid. That's all about acid. In next video we will talk about indicator and bases. Thank you.